Hello everyone, I am Archana Ubale, working as an assistant professor in ENTC department, ASSMS IIT Pune. We are going to discuss over here the power relation in the AM signal. So, amplitude modulated signal consists of carrier plus upper sideband plus lower sideband. So, the power contained in the amplitude modulated signal is higher than the carrier signal, and the amplitude of the upper sideband and lower sideband in amplitude modulated signal consists of modulation index, or that sideband amplitude depends on the modulation index. Hence, power contained in the sideband depends on the modulation index of the amplitude modulated signal. So, here we are going to see the power relation in the amplitude modulated signal. So, first, the total power in amplitude modulated signal which is transmitted, that is represented as a PT, and that is equal to carrier power plus power in USB plus power in LSB. So, the standard equation of the power, all of you know that is V square by R. So, here the carrier amplitude is E square C. Upper sideband amplitude is E USB and lower sideband amplitude is the E LSB. So, here all the amplitudes of carrier, upper sideband and lower sideband, that RMS value of the carrier and sideband amplitudes, and R is the characteristics resistance of antenna in which total power is dissipated. So, here we are going to find out the power of carrier, upper sideband and lower sideband one by one. So, first is carrier power. So, carrier power is represented by PC equal to carrier amplitude divided by R. Carrier amplitude is in the form of the RMS value. So, this amplitude is EC by root 2 square divided by R. So, square of this term, that will become EC square divided by 2R. So, this is the carrier amplitude and EC is the peak carrier amplitude. So, PC is equal to EC square divided by 2R is the carrier power. Then we are going to see the power in sidebands. So, amplitude of the both sidebands, upper sideband and lower sideband in AM, that is same. So, power contains in both the sidebands, that is also same. So, P USB is equal to P LSB equal to sideband amplitude square divided by R. So, peak amplitude of the sideband which we have seen in the spectrum of the AM, so MEC by 2. So, here again we are going to take the peak amplitude, RMS value of the amplitude. So, power in USB equal to power in LSB is equal to MEC by 2 root 2 square divided by R. Then by squaring this term, you will get M square is square divided by 8R. So, this is the power contains in the LSB and USB. So, we just simplify this equation. So, you will get M square by 4 into EC square by 2R. But this term, if you observe, this term is nothing but the carrier power that we have already calculated. You can see over here in this equation. So, EC square by 2R is nothing but the carrier power. So, if you put instead of this carrier power, you will get the equation like PUSB is equal to PLSB is equal to M square by 4 into PC. If in numericals they ask you to calculation of the upper sideband and lower sideband power, you can able to calculate directly by this equation. Then here we are going to see total power in the AM. So already we have calculated power in carrier, power in USB and power in LSB. So we put these values in this equation of the total power of the AM signal. So PC is the carrier power, we keep as it is because that we are going to take as a common, plus m square by 4 PC upper sideband power, m square by 4 PC lower sideband power. So from these three terms we are going to take carrier power common. So remaining terms are 1 plus m square by 4 plus m square by 4. But m square by 4 plus m square by 4 will become m square by 2. So this equation will become in bracket 1 plus m square by 2 PC. From this equation we can say that the value of the m, means modulation index of AM, increases, total power is also increases. So total power, this is the standard equation of the total power. So total power is depends on the modulation index of the AM signal. So here for example, here we are going to take m is equal to 1, means modulation index of the AM signal is equal to 1. So total power will become, for that condition, that is equal to PT is equal to 1.5 PC. So how you get this 1.5 PC? In this equation just we put m is equal to 1. So 1 half, 1 plus 1 half, that will become 1.5 PC. So this you are getting the total power for the condition unity modulation index. Thank you.